In this video, I will show you how to integrate the CPV tracker with your Google Ads account in order to pass conversions automatically to Google and optimize audiences. Passing information from the tracker to the traffic source is a very important part of campaign optimization. This allows the traffic source to understand which visitors convert better in your campaign and to optimize your audience by delivering better quality traffic in the future. Without this integration, Google may send low quality traffic and you will end up with higher costs in your campaign and less conversions. The Google Ads integration is easy to configure and something that you only do once for each Google Ads account. First step will be to access your Google Ads dashboard and then go to the admin menu, account settings, and look for the auto tagging option. This needs to be enabled, so check the box and then save. Most Google Ads accounts will come with this option already enabled, but it's better to check it to make sure that you have it enabled in your account. Next, you'll need to define a conversion action, and for that you will go to the Goals menu, Summary, and here look for the button named Create Conversion Action. Click on here and choose for the conversion type offline conversions. Uncheck everything else and leave checked only offline conversions. Now click on Edit Data Sources, and for the data source you will choose Skip this step and set this later. And for the customer data you will check the box for compliance. If you also see an option for enhanced conversions in here, then you will leave that unchecked, disabled. Click on Done, and now continue to the next step. Here you will define the category for your conversion, and most of the times you will go with purchase. Now click on Edit Settings to configure the conversion action. And you will define a name, which is Import Conversion by default in CPV Lab. For the value, you will use different values each time, and you can set the default value in here, like $1 for example. For the count, you will leave to every conversion, and the click-through conversion and the other options are fine with the default values. Click on Done, and now save the conversion action. Now the conversion action is configured. You can click on Finish, and if you scroll at the bottom of the page, you will see under the purchase category, you will see the conversion action that we just configured here with the import conversion name. The status appears as inactive, which happens because there are no conversions passed yet, but it's not an issue. This one will become active once we pass the first conversions from CPV Lab to Google Ads. Now we need to define an upload schedule which will actually pass the conversion from CPV Lab into the newly created conversion action. For that we'll go to Uploads, Schedules, click on the plus button to define a schedule. For the source we'll go with HTTPS, and for the URL you'll go to your CPV tracker account and edit any Google Ads campaign, any one that you have configured. Scroll near the bottom of the page where you have pass events to the traffic source. And for the dedicated integration with Google Ads, we are provided with an URL here. Copy this URL. You can also test it in a browser, and you will see that if you load this URL, it will show the default header for the Google Ads template, which is correct. Now go back to the Google Ads dashboard and set as the URL that you copied from CPV Lab. Then for frequency, you'll select every 24 hours. And for the time, choose the time that you want conversions to have passed to Google, like 7 AM for example. Click on Save and Preview, and you see that everything works correctly. Click on OK, and now you will have the schedule appearing in Google Ads. And this is the entire configuration for passing conversions from the CPV tracker to Google Ads. Each time the import executes, you will see an entry appearing in the Uploads tab, and the number of conversions passed each time will appear in here in this table. With this configuration, all your conversions will be passed automatically to Google, and they will optimize your audience and deliver better quality traffic in the future. Thanks for watching.